Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you had a great 4th of July weekend. And if you have a mess to clean up after that weekend, this is a good video for you because this should serve as some great cleaning motivation. If you can't tell by the change of outfit, it is now the next day. Things just got away from me and I did not get that much done, so I had to continue cleaning and continue the video the next day. I had to put new sheets on Magnus's bed, so in this shot you can actually see his new bed. I mentioned that he was getting a new bed in a couple of videos ago. So for those that don't know, this is a Montessori floor bed. It's designed so that once he's able to crawl and walk, he can safely get in and out of bed all by himself. He doesn't have to rely on us for that. And then we will just ultra baby proof his room so that if he does choose to get out of bed, he is just in his room, he's somewhere safe, he can play and he can occupy himself, and he gets to be a free-range baby. I started cleaning the kitchen and then I just felt like I was not really staying focused enough, so I took a minute and wrote myself a to-do list. I'm definitely the type of person that loves writing a to-do list and loves even more to check things off of it. I didn't even think about the fact that my ring light was in this shot, but that is just reality of filming yourself cleaning. And that concludes my video today. I hope you found this motivating and you were able to get something done along with me. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you'd like to see more of my videos, you can go ahead and subscribe.